morning to all. My name is Arush. I am studying 8th IT in Ratnam English Medium High School. Today my topic is area of interest on happy life and happy career. Almost everyone wants to make a successful career and a happy life. But most important thing is how many of us know the secret of making a happy life and happy career, leading a happy life. Of course, a few ones, it gives a lot of happiness. For happy life and happy career, there is a physical health, intellectual health, spiritual health, mental health. First, physical health. Physical health is a good conditions for the body, good conditions for the body, and mental health. Mental health is a reading books and thinking and their thoughts. Spiritual health. There is a purity in their thoughts and success in their life. My idea of taking a happy life and happy career. There is a lot of stress in the world at nowadays. Choose your career carefully, and a career is that job gives you satisfaction and pleasure at the job. Happy career gives you pleasure and satisfaction to the job. Happy life is spend the time with family and friends, etc. There is a mental health is a good conditions for the body. Body gives take a hard work to the body. Happy career is a goal. Happy life keeps like a goal. A small quotation of the happy life and happy career. What you have, keep it that. What you have, keep it that, and work for the what you want. Thank you.